everybody. Well, the video you're about to see, it's gonna be in Baffin Bay, Texas, one of the local wading spots. It's kind of shows some pretty good sized trout, and kind of just shows you really don't need a boat to go catch some big fish. So I mean, Baffin Bay yesterday was one of the best days I've seen all year. Calm, about 2-3 mile per hour winds. Picked up around 11 o'clock. That's why we booked it. But it was just like glass all day, something that you rarely see over there. So I mean, good day of weather definitely turned into a good day of fishing. So watch the video, let me know what you think, and stay tuned.
Do you have a kill hook, a circle hook, or what? Yes, sir. Ooh, boy. Hey. You've been waiting for that, huh? Yeah, hold on. Yeah, it is. Red or big trout? No, I don't think so. Damn, boy. Yeah, let me get out of your way real quick. Got your drag set good? Let him run. It's a nice red. Yeah. I got that bitch on my camera too. I'll send you the video. You're good, man. Just let him tie out. It's a good size. Came up out of the water almost. Nah, you gotta say good. Ooh, yeah. Salmon, boy. Yeah. It's a good size red. It's oversized? Looks like it was. Like 24, 25. Maybe it looked. I don't know. I just saw the tail, but it looked good size, dude. Oh, damn it, boy. Hey, let him tire out, dude. That's a huge trout. Man, I had a feeling too. I was like, dude, is that your biggest trout? If you, oh, that's at least 27, 28, dude. No doubt. Yeah, fuck no, don't.
You can see that fish grab?
You gonna get it yourself?
You wanna grab?
It's up to you.
Yeah, it could probably be easier.
You're good, you're good. It's gonna be hard to get him. Hold on. Yeah, let me get tired out. Now I might just grab him with my hands straight up, dude. It's up to you. If you want to if you want to do it yourself.
You can come closer to that barrel about you.
Okay. Got him?
Oh, he's barely hooked up.
Is my grip pocket 30? Here, hold that bitch.
No, 28. Hold on.
Dude, I don't know. Oh, she pregnant, dude. Hey, I'm gonna take a picture. I got good shit, dude. Nah, this bitch is full on pregnant. Is this the biggest trout you ever caught?
I was about to take care of it.
Oh, dude. Nah, fuck no. Let her go.
We'll take a picture of it.
It's around almost God damn, dude. They try to measure it, dude. That thing's fucking huge.
What's that?
Is that the biggest trout you ever caught?
Right there where that first white line's at. No, the other one.
This white line.
Top one.
Okay. Dude, let me get you a picture with it. Hold on. Here, hold this. Good one or not? Yeah, pretty good. The catfish flush. I bet you another good trout. Damn. What the fuck, dude? Got a good one too, bro. Yeah. It already is on, bro. Bro, watch out. It's going your way. Bro. Same here, bro. I told you, bro, this shit's gonna be producing. Yeah, it's a nice male. Good shit, bro.
Hell yeah, boy. That's how it's done, boys.
Double hookup, man. Yeah, good shit, man. Damn. Shit, hold on. That's pretty dope. Let me make sure I got the GoPro.
Heat in my vein like vernacular. Cook up the beat with a spatula. Y'all are not ready for action. I'm smoking these rappers and feeling spectacular. Making a killing like massacre. Watch out, I'm whipping my wrist. Right on my city, been pissed, but I show them love. I'm not the one that's a risk. My homie told me that when